Welcome. I'm following the SONY Xperia 1 Mark III, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So number one, you want to find the toggle in your notifications, and for me it looks like it is right over here. So this one right over here. Once you find it, you can simply hold it the first time around. This will take you to the settings right here, so portable hotspot. We have settings right over here, where you will be able to change things like, for instance, the password, which, to be honest, if you're doing this the first time around, you basically are required to do so. So once you tap on it, as you can see, it's just some randomly generated password. So let's remove this one and set our own. Now, our password does need to have 8 characters in length. That can be either numbers or letters, it doesn't really matter. From there you can save it. Additionally, you also have the AP band, which allows you to choose between 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. And hotspot name, you can change this if you want to, but by default it's always going to be the name of the device. And under advanced we have turn off hotspot automatically. I do recommend you to keep this enabled, either for 5 or 10 minutes depending on how you want it, but do keep it enabled. I personally do forget to turn off my hotspot, and this saves my bacon plenty of times where it just turns off automatically and doesn't actually waste my phone's battery. Because even though the hotspot wouldn't be used, it's still broadcasting the signal, which will be consuming more of your battery life even when you're not using it. So it is good for it to be shut off after a period of inactivity. And that's about it. I wouldn't recommend also toggling this off, make network name discoverable. What will happen is you will need to go through the manual process of adding the network by providing the name of it and then the password. So anyway, once you went through all these settings right here, you can simply leave this section, find the toggle, tap on it to turn it on, and there we go. Your hotspot is right now active. And that is how you turn it on. Now once you're done with it, you can, like I said, wait for it to turn off with that toggle, or you can just simply toggle it off yourself by tapping on it once again. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.